In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Constant Contact email campaign. By the end, you will know how to start a new email, choose a template, customize the design, and send it to the right audience. Begin by signing into your Constant Contact account and looking at the left navigation menu. Find and click Channels, then choose Emails. This is the main area where you create and manage email campaigns, so it is a good place to return to any time you need to edit drafts or review past sends. Next, start a new campaign by clicking the plus create button or plus create an email. Either option will begin the email setup process. Once you click it, you will be taken to the template library, where you can choose the layout that matches your goal, such as a newsletter, announcement, or promotional message. Browse the available templates, and when you see one you like, hover your cursor over it and click Select. Choosing a template saves time because it gives you a ready-made structure that you can quickly adjust for your content and branding. After selecting a template, you will enter the email editor. This editor is drag and drop, which means you build your email by placing content blocks into the layout. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see options like images, text, buttons, and videos. Drag the element you want from the toolbar and drop it into the area of the email where you want it to appear. Take your time to keep the layout clean and easy to scan, with clear spacing and a consistent look. To match your brand, open the Design tab. Here you can set global styles like colors, fonts, and background graphics. Using consistent brand colors and readable fonts helps your email look professional and recognizable. When your email content and design are ready, click Continue. Now you will configure the key settings before sending. Choose the list or segment you want to send the email to so it reaches the correct contacts. Then add your subject line. Keep it clear and specific, since the subject line strongly affects whether people open your email. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Send. Your email campaign will be delivered to the audience you selected. That covers everything you need to know.